So I came across this post from Shashank, the CEO of Simply Flying, on my LinkedIn newsfeed, and I found it pretty interesting. So I thought I would share. Also, in case you're interested in content on the airline industry or understanding general strategy, I think Simply Flying is one of the companies that does it pretty well. While they are very sector specific, I think a lot of their analysis can just teach somebody who is interested in understanding strategy on across sectors. So anyway, looking at what he shared, he talks about how the booking period has changed in March to May 2019 versus now during COVID. So basically, a large percentage of customers are now booking their travel last minute. Okay, so in 2019, this percentage was 46%. That has drastically risen to 61%. Okay, and if you feel that 61% is not a drastic number, realize this: 61% is a one-third increase on the earlier percentage. So one third of the passengers are comparatively are now on the earlier percentage and now wanting to book last minute, and proportionately the number of people who booked far in advance has fallen from 20 to 8%. Okay, now why is this happening and what does it mean for somebody who's interested in brand and strategy? This is obviously happening because of lack of trust on not just the airline, but in the state of aviation right now because of COVID. So customers are concerned whether the flights are going to be cancelled. They're concerned whether they should really fly or not, whether the flights will take off on time. I personally am living through this right now because my sister is planning to fly from Bombay, and I'm going through the exact same emotions, exact same routine. So it's quite understandable right now that any customer will face these same challenges. Now, what does it mean for a brand or a business rather? For a brand right now, for an airline brand starting now, and not just until COVID ends, I think this is something they have to keep emphasizing because our thought process has gone through a change during these times. Their brand credibility is going to be key, and hygiene is going to be a major factor which will impact their brand credibility. Hygiene and sticking to what they say, these are two factors which are really going to impact a brand. Earlier airlines in India were very price sensitive driven. So if you're not a business traveler and a Go Air flight costs probably 10% less than an Indigo flight, and let's assume that you prefer Indigo, chances are you'll go for Go Air. A lot of people will do that, or you will pick up, or may go for a convenient time slot. But convenience and time are going to be secondary for the time being, and brand is going to take a far more important seat because of our fear of aviation right now. And to do that, as I mentioned earlier, airlines have to start doing these two things. Ensure what they say, they stick to it. I know that's going to be really hard in the current times, but it's far more important. So if you're saying that you're going to have one flight every day at so and so time, try and stick to it. Make sure your safety precautions are incredible in the flight. Right from okay, I won't get into the details of safety precautions. I think the airlines are best equipped for that. But make sure they are as safe as can be. Third thing is be transparent. And that's one challenge which I look at when I look at the airlines right now. So when I go to sites like GoAiBibo or Make My Trip to book tickets, and I did this yesterday, the situation from 1st June onwards is still very different from the situation in the next 5-7 days. It seems that 1st June onwards they have just kept the generic flight timetable they had earlier. They have not updated it to give the current realities because the number of flights from 1st June seem pretty normal. At least they were till yesterday or day before evening. So if I'm looking to book 1 week or 10 days in advance, I can't book because you are not telling me clearly, or because you seem to be saying that everything is going to be back to normal, which obviously it is not. So it's better, in my view, to be transparent, tell a customer, we are not sure if these flights will take off. Be very, very, I know in your terms of conditions, I'm sure GoIbibo and Make My Trip will have that written. But it's far more important for airlines to assure, because if understand, customers lack credibility on your brand, on your industry, and that's not your fault, but that's what has happened. So the most important thing is to build trust, and in an environment where things are unpredictable, the only option you have to build trust is be honest, be transparent, say we don't know. We don't know what will happen 1 week down the line, so that's why we are not showing you all these. We will not show you these flights, or when we show you these flights, we will have it clearly written. We are not sure if these flights will take off at all or not, and our schedule will be updated on 31st of May. Yeah. So that just ensures that a customer is more clear about what they are getting into. So these two factors, transparency and and any step to ensure credibility, stick to what you say, is number one, and hygiene is number two. Those two factors are going to be key. Interestingly, after I did this video, I had done the first version of this video earlier, and this is the second version I'm creating. These guys, Simply Flying, also did a survey where customers said that 83.3% of the customers want enhanced cleaning and sanitation procedures for their next flight. 83.3% is a very, very high percentage. By the way, that's a great brand tie-up opportunity for all the cleaning hygiene brands right now. Unfortunately, you still think like a marketer at times. But yes, that's, if you are a cleaning hygiene brand, there is obviously, while for the rest of the world suffers, for you probably it's a good time. But it could also be useful to kind of get your brand more in front of customers by tying up with an airline right now and just telling them that, hey, Dettol is better than XYZ, or Dettol, this has been cleaned by Dettol, which kills X percentage germs. Okay, so and providing, if you can, customers free sanitizers and stuff at the airport, just a great way to build brand attachment. So just a few things which the airlines can do to ensure that their brands continue to grow. Feel free to comment with your questions and tag anyone else who you think can find this useful.